Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to send money from Nepal to the UK. Whether you're supporting family, paying for studies, or handling business transactions, this guide will make the process straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, you have a few reliable options to choose from. The most common methods include using international remittance services like Western Union or MoneyGram, bank transfers through your local Nepali bank, or modern online platforms like Wise or PayPal. Each has its pros and cons, so pick one based on your needs. Let me break it down step by step. Start by gathering your essentials. You'll need the recipient's full name, bank account details, and possibly some ID for verification. If you're going with Western Union, head to a nearby agent in Nepal, fill out the form, pay the amount plus fees, and get a tracking number. For online options like Wise, sign up on their website, link your Nepali bank account, enter the transfer details, and confirm the transaction. It's quick and often cheaper due to better exchange rates. Now, keep an eye on the costs. Exchange rates fluctuate, so use a currency converter app to compare. Fees can vary. Bank transfers might charge 1 to 3% plus a flat fee, while services like Wise are usually more affordable at around 0.5 to 1%. Processing time is another factor. Online transfers can take 1 to 2 days, whereas Western Union might deliver in minutes but at a higher cost. Always prioritize security. Double-check recipient details and use reputable services to avoid scams. One more tip. If you're sending larger amounts, consider the tax implications or any restrictions from the Nepal Rashtra Bank. Finally, once the money is sent, keep records for your peace of mind. There you have it. A simple guide to sending money from Nepal to the UK. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.